In this Just Kampers how-to video, we're going to look at replacing the wiper blades. We happen to be doing it on a Volkswagen Beetle, but the process is exactly the same, whether you've got a bay window, type 25, type 3, doesn't matter. It is very different on early Beetles and early splits though, so this one's not for you. First off, we make sure we order the correct wiper blades from Just Kampers, which we have here, and then we can look at the wiper arm itself and how we take the old blade off. I turned the ignition on, got the wipers moving, and then shut the ignition off when they were in the upright position here, just so it's easier for you to see, but you may find it worthwhile doing that just so that you can get to them easier. What we're looking for here is hopefully everything's still moving nice and easily. There's this little tag on the back here which you can see just going up and down there. You need to push that in and then push down, and this is great. It's not stuck at all, but you might use some releasing fluid on there and just lift it off. You see how that worked there? Then what we need to do is have a look to find a new adapter in with the others, because they're all the appropriate length for the vehicle, but with various adapters for different vehicles. Sometimes you might not get exactly the same one in there, and you can always reuse the one that came with the old blade. Great, that looks like the first one is the correct one. And notice we're replacing here a Bosch with a Bosch, although you may have a different variety. Now these ones, if you do need to take them off, you usually can just push them off to use again, but we're discarding the old adapter and the old wiper blade and going straight on with the new one. Now if you do need to reuse the original adapter, if you put your finger on there, squeeze and push down, you will be able to take it off. But what I suggest doing is using the new one and not taking that off. It's such a straightforward job, but very easily confused if you don't get the orientation right. So get your new wiper blade and your new adapter, and then just simply put it all together so it mirrors the old one. That way there are going to be no problems, and a little bit of a push on there, snaps into place. Well, changing wiper blades really is a very straightforward job, but for years it used to frustrate the life out of me. So just so that you don't go through all that, pull the other wiper blade down and stick it out like this. Have a double check the angle and orientation of the adapter. So all you do is slide the hook underneath the adapter, push it down, and then just push the plastic lug down over the wiper arm itself, and then you should just be able to push it all the way back. You'll hear a little snap when that goes in. And that is it. Job done. Nice new pair of wiper blades.